In the world of tech, there are a lot of companies that are great, and then there are those competing to be among them. As the technology advances, the surge in demand of laptops is increasing day by day. With companies investing billions of dollars in research and innovation, new design and technology is rolling out every single day. With this, the global competition has increased a lot, and it has become really tough for a new company to compete against the established giants. In context of Nepal, we have always been a consumer of overpriced products and even pricier accessories. Thus, we end up listening most of the time, sorry, these parts are not actually available in Nepal or they can't be fixed in Nepal. Finally, a Nepali company has started to roll out electronic products, which means we can easily reach out to the company for the shortcomings of their products and easily claim warranty without any hassle. Ripple Device, registered as Ripple Tech Industries Private Limited, is an original electronics manufacturer from Nepal. And today we are very excited to unbox a laptop that has a tag of a Nepali company. There are a bunch of laptops from this company, and today we have with us the Ripple Artifacts. I am Rupesh Lekha from TechnoSanta.com, and without any further delay, let's start the unboxing of Ripple Artifacts. The packaging design is pretty sleek and has some sort of premium feel in it. However, it is a bit tough and not so safe to carry this box. The box has these threads that keep the box contents intact. There is a nice Ripple logo on the top of the box and the simple specs sticker on the back. It says it has M.2 card slot, narrow bezel 144Hz IPS Full HD display with wide viewing experience, Ripple top performance software and a HDMI port. Some basic specs. So let's see what it actually packs inside the box. There's this laptop right on top. You get a 120-watt charging adapter, a power cord, and this laptop, and nothing more. There are no paperworks. It might be because it is a review unit, but you might get it on the retail unit. I personally feel like it is actually of no use because who reads it? For the ones who are actually interested, they can easily download it from the official website of Ripple Device. So here's the laptop. There's a cool Ripple logo on top. The build looks pretty sturdy and really feels premium and has a little less weight as most of the gaming laptops are pretty heavy. So on the back, we have a sticker that says Ripple Tech Industries Private Limited, Meen Bhavan, Baneswar, Kathmandu, Nepal. As on the box it says 15.6-inch 144Hz display, Intel i5 10th Gen processor with GTX 1650 Ti, and there's this cute little scan for warranty QR code, which as I said is a smart choice and there's no need to waste paper for it. The cutouts are pretty good along with all these nice space scripts. There are a lot of air inlet and outlet vents, so I can say there won't be any thermal issues, but we'll surely find it out on a full review video later. On the right side there's a USB 3.1 port, a Type-C adapter, a SD card reader and a RJ45 port. To the back we have a barrel-style charging port, a HDMI port and a mini display port along with all these vents. On the left there's a USB 3.0 port, a USB 2.0 port, a headphone jack and a microphone jack along with the air vents. The front is left pretty clean and I can see all these different lights here. So let's finally open up this cool looking laptop. The hinge looks pretty sturdy on the first opening. The design is pretty sleek as well. The cutouts are very clean. The display has minimum bezels on the sides and there's a full-size numeric keyboard as well. Here's the same sticker as on the box. No more stickers or extra brandings, which is pretty good because it looks very clean. The keyboard is a bit different than what we normally see. It has these white colored buttons and is quite comfortable to type. There's a average size mouse pad with clickable buttons and there's no fingerprint sensor. The top bezel houses a webcam, which is kind of like a must in this situation of work from home and online classes. So let's open up this cool looking laptop. The RGB looks quite good and there's this Ripple branding on the boot screen when you boot the laptop. The boot time is pretty fast and has rain meter pre-installed and has its own custom skins and design. You get Steam, Spotify, etc. pre-installed, and there were a few games pre-installed as well, and the widget looks pretty cool too. There is this Ripple control center which has all these options for power modes, flexi key, the keyboard lighting, and also the fan control. The display quality is pretty good. The 144Hz display feels pretty smooth and the colors are really nice. However, we will fully test it out on our full review. The audio output on this device is pretty loud, but we found the quality to be pretty average in our quick test. During the initial gaming session, the games were pretty smooth. However, the laptop heated up quickly, and playing the game or even using the laptop on lab, you will shortly feel it to be getting warm. Although the fans kick up to 100% as soon as you play games and you feel a bit of warmth on your fingertips, but you will hardly notice any drop in performance. So the overall initial impression of the laptop was pretty great. The design is good, the performance seems promising, display and other technical specifications also look good. Talking about the price of this laptop, it is priced at Rs 1,18,000, and the main benefit is it is fully customizable and you can easily upgrade the device while buying it from the Ripple store or later on with Ripple's lifetime technical support. So that's it for this video. We will definitely be uploading a detailed review video of this device very soon. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and do hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a cool video. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.